Welcome to the infotainment system of your Seat Leon. Here are some tips to easily understand how your new Leon works. This is the home screen. Here you can find a menu to navigate through your infotainment functions, including navigation, phone, klima, vehicle settings, vehicle status, and audio, which includes radio and media. Double tapping on the widget opens up a corresponding submenu. Sliding vertically through it shows all available options for each function. At the bottom left corner you will find the Home button. Tapping on it takes you to the menu. Tapping on it again will take you back to the home screen. Here's where the car control button is located. Tapping on it opens up car settings, such as driver assistance, Seat drive profiles and ambient light. You can also personalize the icon setup in the menu bar, choosing which apps you want to see and in which order. To do so, long tap on the app you want to replace until a layer with all available apps appears. Each one will show an X icon. Choose the new app you want and voila, it will be replaced on the menu automatically. Want to adjust the temperature of your Seat Leon? Easy. Everything you need is in the klima bar. From here, there are a number of ways to adjust the temperature. Either swipe on the temperature bar directly, open up the mini pop-up and slide the control bar with your finger, or simply swipe or tap on the touch slider. Tap to activate and deactivate heated seats. Or as a shortcut, you can tap with 2 fingers on the touch slider and the heated seats will turn on. To access other klima settings and functions such as ventilation levels or the heating of both windscreens, just tap on the ventilator icon here. What about connecting your smartphone to your Seat Leon? Here is how you do it. First, make sure you have your Bluetooth activated on your phone. Then on the menu bar, tap on the telephone icon to open the phone submenu. Tap Select Phone, go to the Bluetooth menu on your phone and select your Seat model. Confirm that you see the same password on both your phone and the infotainment screens. The system will then ask what kind of connection shall be established: hands-free, Apple CarPlay, or Android Auto. Choose the one that is compatible with your smartphone and done! You are now connected and completely wireless. What about your music? Coming right up. To play your favorite tunes from your phone, first tap on the audio icon, then media to access a playlist. Tap on the favorite tab and add your favorite songs and artists. Slide or tap on the small white bar here to access song details. And finally, to search for locations and find the quickest possible route to your destination, first go into the navigation tool. Click on the magnifying glass and find your location by typing the name or address in the search bar. Then tap the Start button. When the map appears on the screen, you can zoom in or out by simply sliding your fingers along the slider at the bottom. And that's it! Now you know everything you need to operate your Seat Leon's infotainment system. Enjoy the ride!